Minisita Nakadama yashoborera ko Uganda inebyo kuriya binzi konka ntimutangaza ukushanga ngo no kwityo bwirobu hatiruha abana bari kuzaha amashomero batatu ngere byo kuriya udari no kugira ngo nabamwe basiba ko kandi bari mu makagabo ugu yashoborera ngo hureze negendera mnonga ahanteka za government zibyentunguka.
Allow me to congratulate World Vision Uganda upon this significant milestone as we join hands to unveil the drive to end hunger and malnutrition. The Enough campaign is well aligned to the global commitments under the Sustainable Development Goals, Africa Agenda 2063, and the East African Community Vision 2050.
It has been found that our children go hungry without food, but I think this is because of not having proper education and sensitization about the feeding program.
Muringo ngogumwe Minister w'ihanga aba primary education Dr. Joyce Muruku Kadiku yashoborera ngo kugaburira abana ngo kukiri mu iteka rebyo bwegese eriye 2008 no muwoga gw'abazeire utereho nabo bona bari kureberera abana
of feeding our children, but I am happy in the discussions we brought on board the issue of Education Act, and the Act stated matters of feeding our children, the sole responsibility lies on us, the parents.
Yobikiriyaho Dr. Dana Twine Permanent Secretary wa Ministry y'Amagara mu ihanga yashoborera gwehurije neja kwikira habaho kwatanisa hagati y'abebembezi abira abantu babutosha.
The community must own the program. If they see the intervention as World Vision, this Ministry of Agriculture coming from this and that, this civil, this NGO, it will be just like, it will be superficial. We need to see how we can engage the community on it and they implement the intervention.
Muringo ngogumwe Honorable Joseph Sewungu Minister w'ibibwegese harubaje rukakanisa government agira ngo iteka iri bwegese iri 2008 ndija kwikira government yatahuriyo obukurebekangu yabasa kutebo mu nkora.
They are saying that the moment the parents pay something to feed their children at school, it will be a teachers earning money. But most of the Ugandan schools have land. This land can be utilized for growing food by government providing the tools. After providing the tools, you give them seedlings, they grow food at school.
Kugira mukuru w'ekitongore cya World Vision Uganda Jeremiah Nyanga nagira ngo kigenderwa cyabo no kurebekangu babingeje ari mu ihanga hoteli no kugira ngo endwara ziri kurgaha kuriya Kubi Omubaana zatsendezebwa.
The campaign is focused on addressing child hunger and malnutrition. As World Vision is seek in the next 2 years to invest $15 million US dollars into this campaign, but the global target is to invest $3.4 billion over the next 5 years.
Obuceka bushatu hamwe n'obuceka bibiri harigana ubu abantu mu ihanga baremera kironje wagerageranisa n'imyaka yabo kandi obuceka bushatu hamwe n'obuceka buna harigana abantu mu ihanga beine mbiri rengesereze ecyo mjungu arkweta obesity. Warigirira hangenderwaho zateruha amahanga gona za Sustainable Development Goals ngenderwaho ya kabiri neyorekangwa amahanga gona gashemere kutaho buryo kurebekangwa enjara yabingwa umwaka w'2023 gwaza kwika ikizubu cy'enjara hamwe n'ibura ry'ibyo kuriya genzere n'cyeyongera ukurwo mu mwaka w'2015 kandi ikindi kigambwa ko bacenegizibwe nshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe zirimo ndwara ya COVID-19 yateye ensi yona ubutabanguko umahanga gatari gamwe na gamwe utereho n'empinda hinduka y'obwire.